Hi friends, in this video let us discuss how we can create a website in Odoo 14. As you all know, website can be maintained by an individual, business group or organizations. A website is important for your company to attract customers. The perfect website for your company helps to give an impact on customer how big your company is or how successful your company is. So now it is easy to create beautiful attractive website for your company using the website module present in Odoo 14. So first of all we have to install the website module. So for that you can go to apps. You can install the website module. So after installing the website module, you can choose the theme which is required for your website. So here currently I am using the default theme. Actually, the theme defines how your website should look like. That means it actually influences the overall look of the website. So according to your business, you have to choose the theme. So first of all, we will just go to some of the configurations of the website. So here you can use the website module separately or you can use it with other add-ons like accounting or sales and so on. So first of all, I'll just show you the backend view of the website. Here you can see many of the menus like dashboard, visitors, config. So in order to create a website, we can just go to configuration, settings. You can see the name of your website here. So here I'm just explaining in the context of single website. So if you have multiple websites for your company, you can configure the second website using the create a new website option available here. So here you can provide the website name, the domain of your website so that the users will be redirected to this particular website when they enter this domain. So now we have to provide a website logo and you have the default language in which your website should be loaded. So you can also pick a theme. So currently we have a website. So here we have the name of the website as my website. And also if you can your website can support multiple languages, so here you can provide multiple language options also for your website. You can just save it. So after saving the configuration, you can just go to the website. Now from here we have to start designing our web page. So here you can just see the edit option. You can click on edit. So before editing, we have to add a new page for our website. So for that you have a new option here. You can just choose new. Here you can see the options like page, blog post, event, forum, job offer, product, etc. So now we'll just create a new page for our website. So click on page. You can add a title for your page like test page. And now you have, if you want to add this page to the menus, you can just enable this option. You can also disable if you want. So currently for the designing purpose I'm adding into the menu and you can just choose continue. So here you can see my page has appeared here and now we can start designing the website page. using the snippets, many style options and structures available. So here, first of all, you can see the test page option here, and the corresponding structures are also available. So first, if you want, you can add a banner. You can, by just dragging and dropping, you can just add the banner for the website page. And here you can edit the contents, like you can edit the text, and just in order to change the stylings, you can just select the whole text and you can choose the style. You can see the style. You can just adjust the height of the block. Also, you can just increase and decrease the size of the font like this. You can just increase and decrease the size of the font, and if you want, you can make it as bold or italic. And if you want to give an underline for your text, you can just choose the U option here, underline. And also you can align the text. For example, you can choose the text here. So from here itself we can edit the text. If you want to add additional content, you can just add the additional content using the edit option. So now here also for this text, you can provide the alignments. So here you have the views available, whether it has to be aligned left or has to be justified or center aligned. So such alignments can be done by selecting the text. And if you want to insert link for a particular text, you can just do that using the link option available here. So you can add the link which is required. Upon clicking on this text, it will be redirected to this link. So if you want, you can just click on open a new window. So after click, if you are providing a link, you will be directed to a new tab of the corresponding URL. So currently I'm not adding the URL here. So now if you want, you can give colors for your text. Like after selecting like this, you can add colors. If you want to give colors for your text, you can just give it using this option. You can give colors for your text so that it looks attractive. So here now I'm adding another cover for our website. So here you can see the cover has been added. So you can also easily delete the added structures easily using the delete option available here. So now our one of the structure has got deleted. So I'm adding it again. And if you want, you can edit this particular text also using the edit option. So you can just see the preview here. So you can align the size of the button, like whether it should be small, whether it should be large. So here I'm giving, and now you can adjust the size of your structure using this option, drag option. You can just adjust the size, and also you can just flip this particular structures up and down using this arrow. Now you can add a text and image for, so here you can provide the title and corresponding informations here, which depends on your business use cases. So in order to change the image, you can just click on the double click on the image and upload an image option, or if you want you can add a URL for the image. Also you have the option to search for the images. Suppose if I am searching for car, so you can see the images are displayed accordingly. Also you can add documents for your website. So once after clicking on the particular document, it will be downloaded automatically. So you can just add documents in your websites. And if you want you can add pictograms, which really makes your website more attractive. So here you can add the pictograms, you can add the video. You can just paste the video URL here to add a video also. And now you can just flip through the contents like this to align them left and right. So here like this you can add another image like which is listed as features. So in order to edit this particular image, you can just double click on the image and add a pictogram if required. I have just changed it to star. If you can see the pictogram has come here. So like this you can drag and drop it easily. You can flip through the images. It is also possible for you to add custom snippets, like you have countdown widgets. Here you have the countdown widgets available. So here you can adjust the size of the countdown widgets. Also you have pop-ups available. So for the pop-up you can add the delay for your pop-up. So here you have the, after clicking on the pop-up you can just add the delay, how much appears. So you can give this time in seconds, and you have the option to hide the pop-up also if required. And you can set the positions accordingly, whether where this pop-up should appear, whether it's on the top side or bottom, etc. So you have many of the options like show on, whether it should be displayed on this page or only all, whether it should be displayed on all pages, and so etc. So now you can provide like block image, position, filters, everything you can provide here. So these are some of the snippets available. Also you can include charts if required, so that it gets a comparison. So currently I am just removing the charts. So like this you can add the charts. So after making the changes you can just save it. So now you can see the overall view of the website like this. If you have added a pop-up like this, it will be displaying after the particular mentioned time. Now you can just publish your website like this. Using the publish button you can publish the website. So now the website is published. So like this you can easily create a website in Odoo 14. using the custom snippets and structures available. So now if you are a technically well versed person, you can just make use of the customize option to edit the website. So for that, you can just go to customize and you have the option HTML bar CSS editor, and you can choose that option so that you can see the code available here. So from here you can make the changes in the code. Currently I will just make the change in the class of the button. I'll just add it as secondary, and I'll just change the font size of the text, say 40px, and I can just save the changes. So now you can see the corresponding change has affected the structure and its contents. So you can see the color of the button has changed according to the class we have provided here. So like this we can easily make changes in the code also and design the website. So this is how you can create the website in Odoo 14. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.